The fact that Apple consistently ranks first in our in-house product testing is evidence that the company's consumer electronics are of the highest quality available in the market today. After putting the most popular products of one company up against those of their most formidable rivals in a head-to-head comparison, we have come to the conclusion that the following 6 items are without a doubt the most worthwhile purchases you can make at Apple. Without any further delay, let's start our video. Number 6. The newest iPad Air. Amazon is currently offering the Apple iPad Air 2020 for the price of $569.99. There are a lot of tablets on the market right now, and when we put together our list of the best ones, we tried models from Microsoft, Amazon, Samsung, and other companies. However, none of them could compete with the most recent iPads offered by Apple. In our comparisons, the iPad and the iPad Pro came in a close second and third respectively behind the Apple iPad Air 2020, which emerged victorious in our tests and took the top spot. What makes it stand out from the other options? We were blown away by the Air's astonishing processing power, incredibly elegant and modern design, and long battery life. This model features a picture that is crisp and clear thanks to its 10.9-inch liquid retina display, and the entire device weighs less than a pound. The A14 Bionic chip provides brisk performance for graphics, and we adored the fact that the iPad OS makes it simple to multitask by allowing you to split the screen on your tablet so that you can watch 2 programs at once. Even though a tablet is definitely not your first pick when it comes to capturing photos, the Apple iPad Air can capture beautiful images with its 12-megapixel camera, and its high-definition FaceTime camera delivers improved low-light performance for all of your Zoom conversations. Both of these cameras can be found on the device's rear. Additionally, this iPad is compatible with attachments such as the Magic Keyboard and Apple Pencil 2, and we appreciated that it still retains a headphone port. Other compatible accessories include the Apple Pencil 2 and the Magic Keyboard. Number 5. The super sleek MacBook Air. Best Buy is currently offering the Apple M1 MacBook Air for the price of $999.99. The most recent model of Apple's MacBook Air is the company's lightest and thinnest notebook, and it came out on top in our assessment of the finest laptops, beating out models from HP, Dell, Acer, and other manufacturers. The extremely potent M1 processor, extensive battery life, and exceptionally silky trackpad and keyboard are just some of the features that make this product stand out from the crowd. The M1 processor in the new MacBook Air is one of the most significant upgrades. This processor provides around 60% more power than its predecessor and enables the new MacBook Air to compete in terms of performance with laptops that cost twice as much. In addition to that, it possesses an 8-core CPU that is capable of delivering visuals that are up to 5 times faster, as well as a Retina display that produces colors that are very accurate and unparalleled in detail. You will be able to get more done with this MacBook because of its insanely extended battery life, which can last up to 18 hours between charges. The majority of these functions are also offered on the MacBook Pro. However, we believe that the vast majority of consumers will be perfectly content with the less expensive MacBook Air, which really does not leave much to be desired. Number 4. The Apple Watch Series 6. Amazon sells Apple Watch Series 6 for $379.99. Our favorite smartwatch, especially for iPhone users, is the Apple Watch Series 6. This type is a powerful wrist-worn computer. The sleek watch can track exercise, provide health data, manage calls and texts, and help you play music. It comes in 2 dial sizes, 40mm and 44mm, and many finishes to suit different tastes. The Apple Watch Series 6's OLED touchscreen is easy to use, and the digital crown lets you activate Siri with a tap or navigate menus. The Apple Watch is compatible with many third-party apps, including Headspace and Peloton, and it outperforms its competitors in health tracking, including body movement tracking, blood oxygen monitoring, and menstruation cycle tracking. The Apple Watch's biggest problem is that it solely benefits iPhone users. Due to its many features, it must be charged daily. Number 3. The high-end Apple TV 4K. Amazon sells the Apple TV 4K for $199. Even though the Apple TV 4K isn't our top-rated streaming device, it's still a good buy, especially if you have a high-end home theater and a Dolby Atmos sound system because it supports it better than cheaper competitors. This streaming device supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision HDR, and you can use it to access all your favorite streaming services like HBO Max and Apple's TV+. Apple TV is fast and easy to use, and it has a nice interface that lets you add all kinds of streaming apps. The Apple TV remote has a touchpad and a button for voice control, but I've found that its thin shape makes it easy to lose between the couch cushions. You can also control the device with your iPhone. If you click into a search bar on the Apple TV, it will instantly ask you to type on your phone. This is much easier than scrolling back and forth to type letters on the TV screen. Even though there are cheaper streaming devices that work just as well as the Apple TV 4K, it's worth splurging on it if you have a lot of Apple products or want to use Dolby Atmos. Amazon sells the Apple TV 4K for $199. Number 2. The latest iPhone 14 Pro. Apple's latest iPhones are the 14 and the 14 Pro. However, choosing an iPhone 14 model is difficult. The iPhone 14 Pro is more powerful, but price, battery life, and weight matter too. Explore the iPhone 14 versus iPhone 14 Pro below. The iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro share screen sizes for the first time. Choose a 6.1-inch or 6.7-inch screen from any family. This is a big change from 2 years ago, when the top-tier Pro Max was the only option for the largest 6.7-inch screen. Screen technology and features vary greatly. The iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max have ProMotion display technology for better animations, a digital island that replaces the notch, and the first always-on display. Always-on display on the iPhone 14 Pro shows lock screen widgets, time, and wallpaper. The iPhone boasts its first always-on display. The digital island replaces the notch with fresh interaction. Tap and hold for more controls. The dynamic island displays music app album art, FaceTime controls, background activities, and more. Live alerts will appear in the dynamic island's new screen area with iOS 16's live activities feature. Number 1. Apple Vision Pro. Finally, Apple's mixed reality headset. Apple introduced their spatial computer during the 2023 Worldwide Developers Conference. Apple Watch's successor, Apple Vision Pro, won't ship until early 2024. Pre-orders make it worthwhile. Apple's new product. Pocket-sized batteries power the Apple Vision Pro. 2-hour battery. Power adapters extend headset life. Unlike Apple Watch and AirPods, the Vision Pro stands alone. It's Apple-free. 2 cameras and LEDs show the user's eyes outside the Apple Vision Pro. It's eyesight. It makes headgear transparent, making talks more authentic. Handle Vision Pro. No external controllers. The headset has 12 cameras, 6 microphones, and 5 sensors. 4 cameras follow hands. Apple Vision Pro values work above play. Zoom, Adobe Creative Suite, and Microsoft Office support the headset. Apple only sells the Vision Pro until early 2024, a pre-order. The headset will presumably be available in electronics stores, big box realtors, online e-commerce giants, and Apple products realtors after its unknown release date. If you don't want to pre-order, Apple's headset page offers email updates. Pro denotes a cheaper Apple Vision. Tech experts expect this base model Apple Vision in 2024. Apple's iPhone, iPad, AirPods, and MacBook lines use Pro, so they won't settle with one mixed reality headset. We can only guess till Apple releases new Apple Vision headsets. Pre-order Apple Vision Pro. Can a first-generation Apple product be worth $3,499? Would you bet on a new Apple product? Pre-order this mixed reality headset. If you're unsure, wait. This was our video for today. What do you think Apple products should buy? Tell us in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.